Bonjour, tout le monde. Bienvenue à Learning Language. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Learning Language. So today's session is about indefinite articles in French. In the previous video, we learned about definite articles, their usage, and their combinations. Okay. Now, similarly, in today's session, we will be learning about indefinite articles. So, what do you exactly mean by indefinite article? As the name indicates, it is used for non-specific thing like a book, a pen. So since you are not pointing out to any particular thing like which book it is, you would use it indefinite article. So in English we have two indefinite articles, one is a, another one is n. Similarly in French we have three. Okay, all three of the first of all, these are divided in two categories. First of all, singular, and another one is plural. Okay, the three articles which we have in French is un, une, des. Okay, now we will be learning about them one by one. So let's begin. So in the singular category we have two articles, un, which is used for masculine object or person, and une for feminine. Okay, opposite we have plural category. So in plural category we have only one article which is called they. Spelling is DES and the pronunciation is they. So let's dig more to know about them. Okay, now let's start with une. Une is used for feminine objects or person, okay, or feminine nouns. Now let's have a look at some examples. Une table, une carotte, une lampe. So there is a general rule while using une. The word which has e on the end is more likely to be preceded by an article une. So in 75% of the cases where the word which has e on the end is more likely to have an article une, but it is not important in all the cases, but majority of the cases, 75% of the cases, this happens. Okay, while there are certain exceptions, so we will be discussing exceptions. So let's move to the exceptions which are down there. Une caméra, une télévision. So here you can see the camera is ending with a. Okay, so but still, because it is a feminine thing, une is used. Similarly, same case with television, it is ending on n, but the article is to be used is une. Okay, now let's move to another article. Is used for masculine person or objects. Okay, let's have a look at the example. Un éléphant, an elephant. Un char, a chair, a car, a trolley. Okay, now while in the une case, I mean in the une where we were discussing that if a word ends on e, okay, then there are chances it is to be article to be used is une. But on the other hand, some word ends on e, but yet they are masculine. Okay, you understood the difference, that there are certain words which ends on e but they are masculine, they are not feminine, and there are certain words which doesn't ends on e, they are feminine. So feminine one we discussed in the previous slide. Okay, today now we'll be discussing about the masculine one. A leaf, a book, it ends on e but still it is a masculine case. Okay, so this is not the permanent thing that you have to use this rule, but what I suggest is just always remember the noun with the article along with it. So it will be easy for you when you will use it. Let's move to the last article. Now, as name indicates, this is a plural form of indefinite articles where multiple things are there, two or more. So let's have a look at the example. Des éléphants, which means elephants. Des sahins, des chers. Okay, now how to use these they along with the words. Now suppose that you have a statement in mind that you would like to translate there are elephants in the zoo. Okay, so how do you translate it? Or there are some elephants in the zoo. Okay, you will translate as il y a des éléphants dans les zoos. Il y a des éléphants dans les zoos, which means there are elephants in the zoo. Okay, see, this was so easy. So guys, just keep practicing, and if you have any doubt, just write it in the comment section. Once you will do more and more practice, it will be easy for you to remember it. It is like A and N which we use in English. Okay, so that's it about indefinite articles. If you like the content of the video, please hit like, share and subscribe, and keep watching Learning Language. Stay tuned. See you soon.